Strong nylon-braided cable. Wrapped in the high-tensile nylon-braided jacket, which offers exceptional strength and flexibility. The iPhone charger features tangle-free, durable and can handle daily stress. Quick charging sync. Premium iPhone charger cable ensures high-speed charging and sync simultaneously. Maximum charging speed up to 2.1 and data transfer up to 480 megabits per second. Efficient in improving your life. Extra long cable. Each iPhone 13-12 charger is 10 FT in length, 3 times as long as your original iPhone cord, allowing you to freely charge, regardless of lying on bed or couch or any occasion with no nearby sockets. Broad compatibility. Our Lightning cable perfectly supports all Lightning devices, like iPhone the 13th of December 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 11 11ths Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, XS Max, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8, iPad, iPod, AirPods and more. Package contents. 3Pack 10FT iPad charger cords, wall charger not included. You can share with your family or use at home, in office or on business trips. Buy with confidence. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I have had this for about 3 years. I use all 3 every single day. Have never had a problem until recently where only one side of the charger works, but that's only on one charger. I have used these on camping trips, in the shower, wherever. Amazing product, and for that cheap definitely will buy again.